Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As we all know, the first case of novel coronavirus was reported in December 2019 in Wuhan. Gradually, the capital city of Hubei became the epicenter of COVID-19. Currently, most of the countries are under the grip of the deadly virus, which has already killed more than 600,000 people worldwide. The World Health Organization has declared COVID-19 outbreak a pandemic on March 11, 2020. The death and infection rates in countries like the United States and India are rising. Given the nature of the virus and the second wave of infection emerging from China, it is difficult to predict the outcome of the COVID-19 pandemic. History speaks that the world has seen several deadly pandemics. Here is the list of top 5 pandemics in the world history. At number 5, we have the third pandemic. The third pandemic was the third major outbreak of the bubonic plague, following the plague of the Justinian and the Black Death. It started in China in the year 1850s and would eventually spread to all 6 inhabited continents before tapering off sometime in the 1950s. Despite modern breakthroughs in medicines, the third pandemic still killed as many as 12 million people in China and India. And though it is now considered inactive, as recently as 1995, a number of isolated cases of the disease were discovered in the western United States. At number 4, we have smallpox. Although it has since been successfully eradicated, smallpox devastated the American when European settlers first introduced it in the 15th century. Of all the diseases brought to the New World, smallpox was the most virulent, and it is credited with the death of millions of native people in the United States and Central America. Smallpox decimated the Aztec and Incan civilization and is generally considered to be a major factor in their eventual conquering by the Spanish. The disease was equally dangerous back in Europe, where it is estimated to have killed 60 million people in just the 18th century alone. At number 3, we have the plague of Justinian. Generally regarded as one of the first pandemics in the historical record, the plague of Justinian was a particularly virulent disease that broke out in Byzantine Empire around 541 AD. Although the exact numbers are uncertain, the plague is estimated to have caused the death of 100 million people worldwide, around 5,000 a day at its peak, and it is regarded to have killed at least 1 in 4 people in the East Mediterranean region. Beyond this staggering mortality rate, the political effect of the plague of Justinian were far-reaching, as its devastation prevented the Byzantine Empire from being able to spread eastward and thus significantly changed the course of European history. At number 2, we have the Spanish flu. Arriving on the heels of the devastation of World War I, the Spanish flu of 1918 is widely considered to be one of the most vicious pandemics in history. A worldwide phenomenon, it is estimated to have infected 1/3 of the world's entire population and eventually killed as many as 100 million people. The virus, which has since been identified as a strain of H1N1, would surface in waves, frequently disappearing in communities as quickly as it arrived. Fearing a massive uproar, governments did their best to downplay the severity of the flu, and because of wartime censorship, its far-reaching effects were not fully realized until years later. Only Spain, a neutral country during World War I, allowed comprehensive news reporting on the pandemic, which is why it eventually became known as the Spanish flu. At number 1, we have the bubonic plague or the Black Death. Perhaps the most well-known pandemic in history, the Black Death was a massive outbreak of bubonic plague that ravaged Europe through most of the 1300s, characterized by the appearance of oozing and bleeding sores on the body and a high fever, the plague is estimated to have killed anywhere from 75 to 200 million people in the 14th century alone, with recent research concluding that 45 to 50% of the entire population of Europe was wiped out. The plague would be a constant threat for the next 100 years, periodically resurfacing and killing thousands, with the last major outbreak occurring in London in the 1600s. So this was the list of the top 5 worst pandemic in the world history. I hope you liked my video. Please do like, subscribe, comment and share.